Welcome to TravelGuide-Roy today. We'll explore the bustling markets and taste some of the best street food Morocco has to offer. From savory to sweet, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Get ready to dive into a world of incredible flavors and aromas. We'll meet the passionate vendors, learn about the history behind these dishes, and of course, indulge in every single bite. So join me as we embark on this culinary journey through the heart of Moroccan street food. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Look at this. This, my friends, is Sfenj, a true icon of Moroccan street food. Imagine a donut, but lighter, airier, and oh so much crispier. It's made from a simple dough that's stretched and then deep-fried to golden perfection. You can smell that incredible aroma, can't you? It's absolutely intoxicating. The vendor dusts it with sugar while it's still hot, adding a touch of sweetness to the savory flavor. Some like it plain, some like it with sugar. Me? I like it both ways. All right, let's take a bite. That crispy exterior gives way to a soft, fluffy interior. The sugar melts in your mouth, creating a symphony of flavors and textures. This Sfenj is dangerously addictive. I could easily devour a whole plate of these. It's the perfect way to start our Moroccan street food adventure. You know what would make this even better? A cup of hot Moroccan mint tea, the perfect combination. But we have so much more to explore, so let's move on to the next delicious treat. Next up, we have Msemen, another staple in Moroccan street food. This delightful flatbread is a must-try for anyone visiting the bustling markets of Morocco. This, my friends, is not your average bread. It's a culinary masterpiece that stands out among the variety of Moroccan breads. Msemen is a type of flatbread that's cooked on a griddle. The griddle gives it a unique texture and flavor that you won't find in other types of bread. What makes it so special is the way it's prepared. The process is both an art and a science, requiring skill and patience. The dough is stretched paper-thin, almost translucent, then folded multiple times to create those irresistible layers. Each fold adds to the complexity and texture of the final product. As it cooks, the layers puff up, creating a flaky and slightly chewy texture. This unique texture is what makes Msemen so beloved. You can get it plain or stuffed with onions, herbs, or even minced meat. The versatility of Msemen means there's a version for everyone. Today we're going for the classic version plain Msemen, served with a side of honey and soft cheese. This traditional pairing is a favourite among locals and tourists alike. The combination of sweet and savoury is a match made in heaven. The honey drizzled over the warm, flaky bread is simply divine. Let's tear a piece off and wow, that's incredible. The texture is just perfect, and the flavours are so well balanced. The bread is so light and airy, and those layers just melt in your mouth. Each bite is a delightful experience. The honey adds a touch of sweetness that complements the savoury cheese perfectly. It's a combination that you have to taste to believe. It's the perfect balance of flavours and textures. The flaky layers, the sweet honey, and the creamy cheese all come together in harmony. Msemen is one of those foods that's so simple, yet so incredibly delicious. It's a testament to the beauty of traditional Moroccan cuisine. It's the kind of food that brings people together, and I can see why it's a beloved street food in Morocco. Whether you're a local or a visitor, Msemen is a treat that you won't want to miss. Get ready for this, because we're about to dive into a world of pure pastry perfection. Moroccan cuisine is renowned for its rich flavors and intricate preparations, and Briouats are a shining example of this culinary artistry. These, my friends, are Briouats. Imagine crispy golden brown triangles filled with savory or sweet fillings. They are a staple in Moroccan cuisine, often enjoyed as appetizers or snacks during festive occasions. They're like little pockets of flavor just waiting to be devoured. Each bite offers a delightful contrast between the crispy exterior and the rich, flavorful filling inside. The pastry itself is thin and delicate, made with warka, a special Moroccan pastry dough. Warka is similar to phyllo dough, but even thinner and more delicate, requiring skillful hands to prepare. It's then folded into triangles and deep-fried until crispy and golden brown. The frying process gives Briouats their signature crunch, making them irresistibly delicious. You can find Briouats filled with everything from minced meat and vegetables to almonds and cinnamon sugar. The versatility of the fillings means there's a Briouat for every palate. Each bite is an explosion of flavor and texture. The combination of the crispy pastry and the rich filling creates a symphony of tastes in your mouth. For this culinary adventure, we're trying two kinds, savory and sweet. Each type offers a unique taste experience, showcasing the diversity of Moroccan cuisine. The savory briouats are filled with seasoned ground meat, onions and spices. The blend of spices used in the filling is what gives these briouats their distinctive Moroccan flavor. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. The scent of the spices and the freshly cooked pastry is simply intoxicating. The sweet ones are filled with a mixture of ground almonds, sugar, and orange blossom water. This combination creates a filling that is both rich and aromatic. They're like little bites of heaven. The sweetness of the almonds and sugar, combined with the floral notes of the orange blossom water, makes for an unforgettable treat. Let's start with the savory. The first bite is a burst of savory goodness, with the spices and meat blending perfectly. The pastry is so crispy and the filling is so flavorful. The contrast between the crunchy exterior and the tender, juicy filling is simply divine. The spices are perfectly balanced, and the meat is tender and juicy. Each ingredient complements the others, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Now for the sweet. Wow, the sweetness is perfectly balanced, not too overpowering, allowing the natural flavors of the almonds and orange blossom water to shine through. The almond filling is so rich and fragrant, and the orange blossom water adds a beautiful floral aroma. It's a delicate and sophisticated flavor that lingers on your palate. It's the perfect way to end this chapter of our Moroccan street food journey. Briouats are more than just pastries. They are a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Morocco, offering a taste of tradition in every bite.
As we venture further into the heart of Moroccan street food, it's time to warm our souls with a bowl of harira. This beloved soup is a staple in Moroccan cuisine, known for its rich flavors and comforting qualities.
Harira is more than just a soup. It's a symbol of Moroccan hospitality and tradition. It's a dish that brings people together, whether it's family, friends, or even strangers. It's a dish that's often enjoyed during Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. During this time, harira is traditionally served to break the fast at sunset, making it a cherished part of the daily iftar meal. This rich and flavorful soup is made with a combination of tomatoes, lentils, chickpeas, and lamb or beef. Each ingredient is carefully selected to create a harmonious blend of textures and tastes. It's seasoned with a blend of aromatic spices, including ginger, cumin, and turmeric, giving it a warm and comforting flavor. These spices not only enhance the taste, but also add to the health benefits of the soup. The soup is typically thickened with flour or cornstarch, giving it a slightly creamy texture. This thickening agent helps to create a satisfying and hearty consistency that makes harira so beloved.
It's often served with dates and a squeeze of lemon juice, which adds a touch of sweetness and acidity. The dates provide a natural sweetness that complements the savory flavors of the soup, while the lemon juice adds a refreshing tang. Let's take a sip. Ah, that's the stuff. The combination of flavors is simply irresistible.
The broth is so flavorful, with a perfect balance of spices. Each spoonful is a delightful experience, filled with the essence of Moroccan cuisine. The lentils and chickpeas add a hearty texture, and the meat is incredibly tender. These ingredients work together to create a nourishing and satisfying meal. The dates add a touch of natural sweetness, and the lemon juice brightens up the flavors. This combination of sweet and tangy elements makes harira a unique and memorable dish. It's the perfect dish to warm you up on a chilly evening or to break your fast during Ramadan. No matter the occasion, harira brings comfort and joy to those who enjoy it. Harira is a true testament to the rich culinary heritage of Morocco. It showcases the country's ability to create dishes that are both flavorful and meaningful. It's a dish that's full of flavor, history, and tradition. Each bowl of harira tells a story of Moroccan culture and the importance of food in bringing people together.
Get ready for a taste of pure potato perfection. These golden brown beauties are Maakouda, a beloved Moroccan street food snack.
Maakouda are essentially potato fritters, but oh so much more than that. They're crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, and bursting with flavor. Made with a simple mixture of mashed potatoes, spices, and herbs, these fritters are deep fried until golden brown and crispy. They're often served with a side of harissa paste, a spicy chili pepper sauce for an extra kick.
The aroma of these frying Maakouda is absolutely intoxicating. I can't wait to dig in. Let's take a bite. That's incredible.
The exterior is perfectly crispy, giving way to a soft and fluffy interior. The potato flavor shines through, and the spices add a warm and savory depth. The harissa paste adds a fiery kick that's not for the faint of heart. It's the perfect condiment for those who like a bit of heat. Maakouda is one of those snacks that's perfect any time of day. Whether you're looking for a quick bite or a satisfying snack, these potato fritters are sure to hit the spot. No Moroccan street food adventure would be complete without a taste of something sweet. And what better way to satisfy our sweet tooth than with Chebakia? These intricate flower-shaped cookies are a true work of art. They're crispy, crunchy, and coated in honey, making them the perfect sweet treat to end our culinary journey. Chebakia is made from a sesame-based dough that's deep-fried until golden brown and crispy. The cookies are then dipped in honey and sprinkled with sesame seeds, adding an extra layer of flavor and texture. The process of making Chebakia is quite intricate, requiring a skilled hand to create those beautiful flower shapes, but the end result is well worth the effort. Let's take a bite. That's heavenly. The cookies are incredibly crispy and crunchy, and the honey coating adds a sweet and sticky glaze. The sesame seeds add a nutty flavor and a satisfying crunch. It's the perfect combination of textures and flavors. Chebakia is often served during special occasions and celebrations, but it's also a popular street food snack. It's a sweet treat that's sure to bring a smile to your face. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Moroccan street food. My personal favorite was the Maakouda. Those potato fritters were incredible. The crispy exterior and fluffy interior, paired with the spicy harissa paste, was an explosion of flavor and texture. But honestly, every dish we tried was delicious in its own way. From the fluffy Sfenj to the rich harira and the sweet Chebakia, Moroccan street food is a true feast for the senses. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more culinary adventures. And if you ever find yourself in Morocco, be sure to try some of these amazing street food dishes. You won't regret it.